So right now I'm going to show you guys how to simply edit a Canva mood board. First, you're going to want to go to canva.com and sign in either with your free or paid account. First, we're going to be adding in some photos. Now, you can choose to upload your own photos from the computer by using the Uploads tab. But for this particular mood board, I'm going to show you how you can use the photos that are available to you in Canva. So you're going to click the Elements tab on the left-hand side, and then you're going to go to Photos, and then in the search bar, you can go ahead and search up any kind of keywords or terminology that you need to have to be associated with your business. For instance, right here, I'm going to type in wedding. So I'm going to take this mood board that I've already prepared and kind of tailor it as if I was the wedding planner. So here I'm just going to add the details from a bridal gown, and then maybe I want to add the bouquet, or maybe I want to offer floral services, or I just want to showcase in my mood board that I specialize in weddings. And then I might go back and look for some more photos that catch my eye. Here I typed in beach because, hey, maybe you want to specialize in destination weddings. So you can add in destination photos so that you can clearly illustrate your vision for your business. Next, we're going to be editing colors. This is super simple. So to get these little circles that I use for the brand colors, I just clicked the Elements tab and then I added in a circle, and now I'm just changing the colors. And I'm using the photos that are in the board to put the picker circle over, and it's going to match the colors exactly to the T to the colors in the mood board. So this is really great if you find a picture online, and maybe it's a picture of a car, maybe it's a picture of a house, but you love the color scheme and you want it to be your brand color scheme. You can input it into Canva, and then you can use the color picker to pull those colors from that photo. Next, I'm just going to show you how to quickly change the fonts. So you're going to click the Text tab on the left-hand panel, and then you're going to drop down for the options of the type of style and font that you want. They have a lot of different fonts to choose from. You can even go in the search bar and specify calligraphy, and all the calligraphy fonts will pop up, or they have these special pre-made, like preset fonts that you can use and drag over onto the mood board. So I'm just going to choose Nick Canely, and I'm just going to edit some of this subtext specifying that I want my mood board to include the services of full event design. And you can just do this to put in some words that inspire you or some extra details on the specialties that you want to offer in your business. And this is an easy way to compile a mood board without having to cut and paste or gather magazines or use printer to print images. Once it's done, you can download it and you can print it out and insert it into your BizBinder workbook, or you can save it to your phone, use it as your screensaver, put on your screensaver on your laptop, on your work laptop. All right, and that's it.